back. It's TitanicFeetJack back with another video with y'all. Of course, we got some heat on deck. Before we get into the sneaker of today, shout out to everyone that subscribed to the channel. I'd like to thank y'all for subscribing. I'm not sure what has happened to this channel, but the subs been coming and coming and coming. I think I've gained about 400 to 500 subs within the month of July. I'm very humble and thankful, and I pray that it continues to happen. I think last time I checked prior to recording this video, I think I was somewhere around 840 subs. So we almost at one of the first sub milestones, trying to get to that 1K. You know what I'm saying? So whatever y'all doing, please continue to do it. Continue watching and sharing the videos. Also, hit that like button, or if you're not feeling the video, hit that dislike button. Any interaction with the channel is very appreciated, even though I would prefer the like, but I'll take the dislike as constructive criticism. Also, leave a comment and turn on those post notifications. Getting into today's shoe, y'all see the box. We got a 2-for-1 actually. You see the box. All my throwback sneaker heads, y'all already know what this sneaker is, but we're gonna go ahead and read the box. It says Jordan Ultimate Gift of Flight. Size 11.5. Price $500. Color multi-color because there's more than one sneaker in here. But you see the box is also, the sneakers in this box consist of the Jordan 11 and the Jordan 29 silhouettes. See the white Jordan Jumpman on top of the box. Nothing on this side. And underneath. Okay, we're gonna get the sneakers out of the box. Okay guys, first up we got the Jordan Retro 11. One of the most popular silhouettes on the Jordan brand in this university blue colorway. I mean, this shoe is hitting. If you already familiar with Retro 11s, you already know what it is. But we're going to get into the sneaker. The upper, you got your 6 lace eyelids going on. And the upper is like a soft nubuck material. And you have your white Jordan Jumpman stitched on. Also on your upper, you have that university blue patent leather, which lets you know, I mean, that's like one of the best features on the Jordan Retro 11. Moving to the midsole, you got that white midsole, and you got some translucent at the bottom of the midsole, which leads to the outsole. Here's a look of that outsole. You have your white herringbone traction pattern, and you also have the translucent outsole with the university blue Jordan Jumpman. And you can also see that carbon fiber underneath, and you have a piece of it right here on your midsole. Looking at the heat of the sneaker, you have a 23 is not stitched on, and you have a nice, not sure what this material is, but it kind of feel like it's not silk, but kind of silky. You have that on your heel tab. And you know, it looks just like the Jordan 11s on the back. Look on the inside, all university blue. You can see where the patent leathers were stitched together right here. You got that white midsole with the translucent outsole at the bottom of your midsole, which led to the outsole. Get a good shot, that carbon fiber right here. There you go. Get a closer look. Look at the toe box. All pattern at the toe box. Going up to the tongue comes with one pair of laces. You have your university blue rope laces. The tongue is the same material as the outside on the upper. That nice smooth nubuck material. You have your Jumpman Jordan tab sewed on. And your Jordan Jumpman is in white letters. And the Jordan Jumpman logo is also in white. Nothing to the top of the tongue. Let's get a good look at the inside of the sneaker if we can. Have that University Blue Jordan insole. And let's see, can we get a look at that sizing tag? It's not on this side. It's way in there, guys. Ooh. Gonna have to take the cardboard shoe tree out to get to that sizing tag. Here's your shoe tree. You got the University Blue shoe tree. It's not like those cardboard shoe trees some of the Jordans come with. And you have your Jordan Jumpman on here. It's nice hard plastic. And of course, it has that tissue behind it. Y'all saw that it fell. Blooper reel. And you can see that Jordan Jumpman on the insole. Jordan Jumpman is white in here. And let's get a good look at that sizing tag. Size 11 and a half. Yes, this is a size 11 and a half. And as you can see, these were produced from July of 2014 to August of 2014. So you had like a month and some change in production on these. This is very interesting. Here we have the Jordan 29. This is the other sneaker that came in the gift of flight pack. And I'm going to be honest, it's the most unpopular Jordan to ever come out in a pack, to my memory, if my memory serves me correct. I'm sure not a lot of sneakerheads was checking for this sneaker and was trying to figure out a way where they could get just the Pantone 11s and not this one. But most retailers was not split in the pack, so you were kind of stuck with this sneaker. But I'm not sure who likes this sneaker, but to each his own. I'm not knocking you, but we're gonna go ahead and discuss the sneaker. It's the Jordan 29 silhouette. Got that fly knit material. The base of it is white. You can see you got some designs on it, which is black, and you have the University Blue outlining on it. Also University Blue Jordan Jumpman. Your midsole is like silver or gray with a clear translucent piece on top of it. You can also see some sort of carbon fiber here. You look at your outsole of this sneaker. Yep. Translucent outsole. White Jordan Jumpman up to the front. I'm not sure what this is for. Maybe it's for better support when you're playing basketball, because I know a lot of these later Jordans up in numbers, 29, 30, all that good stuff. These are more catered to today's athletes on the basketball court, unlike the earlier retros are. So this probably supports them on the basketball court. So we're gonna look at the heel of the sneaker. This one has number 23 University Blue on the back heel. Also, you see more of that design, and it's kind of like some elephant print with this University Blue going down on both sides. While we're here, you see the sizing tag on this, size 11 and a half. This pair was produced from July 2014 to October 2014. So they made quite a few of these. Haven't seen these on feet yet. Not sure will I, but that remains to be seen. Going to look at the inside of the sneaker, pretty much just like the other side. It's not too much to this sneaker. I mean, it's okay sneaker for playing ball, but it's not a sneaker that people were going to be trying to get their hands on at all costs. I doubt it anyone pays resale for this sneaker. This sneaker came with one pair of laces. You can see they have that design in the toe box. Man, Jordan brand. Oh, I hate to bad mouth a sneaker, but man, this is a lot to take in. Look at the tongue. You have the design on the tongue. Almost looks like a zebra. I don't know. Maybe this was supposed to be an animal type shoe mixed with Carolina blue. Going all the way up the tongue, and then as you can see, you got that University blue Jordan Jumpman. Only came with this one pair of laces. We already looked at the sizing tag. Gonna take out the shoe tree. See, has the cardboard shoe tree. Set that here. Give you guys a good look at that insert. Oh, we have the animal print insert with the University blue Jordan Jumpman. Yes, they actually put some work into it. It just came out looking like this. Comment below, guys. Tell me what you think of this sneaker. When you bought this pack, did you wear these, or were you able to get the seller to split the pack? But this sneaker, there's a little difference between the two. This one has 23 on the back, and as you can see, this one has Jordan. But these came in the gift of flight pack. We're gonna put these back on the table, give you a closer look at both sneakers, and we'll be back with you. Hope that was a close enough view for you guys. Tell me what you think of this sneaker. Did you cop these sneakers when they released? Let me know in the comments below. Me personally, I have the Pantone 11s. I was successful in getting someone to split the pack, so I was good. I made it out okay. Shout out to everybody that was also able to get just the 11s and didn't get the 29s forced up on them. This concludes the video. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Comment below. Let me know what you think of the shoes. Let me know what you think of the videos. I mean, keep doing what y'all are doing. Keep liking, commenting, subscribing to the channel. I do respond to the comments and enjoy interacting with you guys, so let's keep it up. Let's keep charging to 1,000 subs, guys. I will have a giveaway at 1,000 subs. The next giveaway will be at 1,000 subs, guys. I'd like to thank all you guys for watching, new subscribers and old ones that been rocking with your boy since I had 0 subscribers. I want to thank you guys personally. I'm very humbled by you guys hanging in there with me and watching the videos. Thank you again for watching. Y'all have a great day. TitanicFeetJack signing out.